Hi there, my name is Sam William for WilliamNeedSam.com. On my Twitter and my Facebook page as well, Wally Weiss. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to, can connect, in this USB to the X Xbox One X. So what you need to do is you need to get your USB on that, and then you use that charger for your controller for Xbox One. When done this, you plug in this plug right there. Then I'm gonna plug this right there. So what's this? Plug the camera now. So what I'm gonna do is, guys, I'm going to hook up this USB cable. I'm going to plug it in Xbox One X. Now it's plugged in already. Now we need to plug in this controller to the Xbox One X. And then you see in USB, and then you see it's shaped like this and there. And what I'm gonna do is gonna plug in this USB right there, get power. So you plug that in. Watch this. That was sync up. There you go. So now we plugged in the Xbox One X. We plug in the USB cable. See, Xbox One X plugged in already. So now, see it works. You see, it works. Let me go to my account. Hi, Wally. You see, it works. It works. Thanks for watching.